My video guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of the new browser hijacker that is called Musttrust. And the website related to this hijacker is Musttrust.xyz. Even though it is called Musttrust, you should not trust it because it operates as a typical hijacker for Google Chrome browser. It changes a lot of crucial browser settings. For instance, the default homepage, default search engine, and even the new tab URL. Very often, Musttrust extension is spread through integration with some free applications. So people may download and install it pretty unintentionally. This is why it is correctly classified as a potentially unwanted program that is worth immediate removal. So, if you have somehow noticed that Musttrust extension has become the part of your Google Chrome, you should immediately implement certain fixes. And the solution to remove this Musttrust extension is pretty simple. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Now look for the suspicious extensions, remove and or at least disable and remove them. Also, I recommend you to research your system additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, then after you install it, start checking the system with its help. Make sure that it first updates the antivirus database, then click on Start Combo Scan button in order to begin the investigation of your computer. So you will see the summary of all threats at the end of scanning. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scan, the program gives you the detailed summary of all the threats that were found during the scanning. Most importantly, you need to pay careful attention to the antivirus section. So you may click on Antivirus tab and then click on Review Results. This will show you the full summary of all the threats that were found during the scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, whether it was the trial or the premium version of the program. The good thing about the trial and the premium version is that you are able to know the location, the exact location of each specific threat on your computer. So the application Combo Cleaner not only gives you the name of the threat, but it also shows you where exactly it is located. For instance, you may choose this specific threat, and then you may click on the special icon that says Show in Finder. So you'll be able to establish the exact presence of threat on your Mac, and you may right-click on it and move it to the trash manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove all these threats automatically.